So a quick demonstration of the new touchscreen software on the Haloblaze products. Once powering up the machine, you'll get to the home screen. Top right hand corner we have language selection. We can select between English, German and Spanish. Bottom right we have the configuration. We can switch the cycle buzzer on or off, the e-stop buzzer on or off, or we can put it into a security mode where it would allow the operator to change between programs, but they can't change the information in each particular program. Back to home. As before, we have two options, a manual mode and a timer mode. In manual mode, the machine will cycle for as long as the foot switch is pressed. During the cycle, it will count up. Once we release, it will save that time onto screen. The nice thing now is that we can use that information from the manual mode to almost create a program from that information. You'll see here it brings it up at the top. We can save that as program 3, and it will save that as program 3. We can then load that information and go directly into the timer mode. It will update it, and then once we press the foot switch, we now have a program created directly from the manual mode. Program reference is here. We can change between programs directly from the timer mode. We have an abort cycle function, so during the cycle, if we want to abort, we can. Cycle counter with reset. We can switch the button buzzer off, or we switch it back on again. If we were to press the emergency stop, it comes up on screen. Again, if the operator was to open the front door or to put their hands in the entry slots, that e-stop would trigger. We can make changes quickly if we wanted to add another second here. We can do that. The nice option that we've got now is we also have up to 5 different time sequences. So program 2 here has 5 sequences loaded. So if I load program 2, you'll see that we've selected, we have 5 times. First time being 5 seconds, second 10 seconds, back to 5 seconds, 15 seconds, and then 7. If we go into time, you'll see that's changed. The first time being 5. Once we cycle, it goes into the second and changes that information. Once that gets to the 5th cycle, it will revert back to the first, and so on and so forth. If we switch the operator mode on, you'll see that the manual mode has disappeared altogether, so they can't run it in this mode at all. They can't go into the program menu where they could potentially make changes. All they can do is run the programs in timer mode, and they can load a program directly from this screen.